This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Bernosky. An amazing opportunity is being to own a desirable 7th floor unit at Pier 81N. This beautiful 3-bedroom/2/bath split floor plan offers spectacular panoramic views of sunrises overlooking the Jolley Bridge and Marco River from the expansive East Lanai and gorgeous sunsets from the West Lanai with views of Marco Island and the Gulf of Mexico. Entertain family and friends and enjoy endless water views while serving steaks from the built-in Jenn-Aire grill. Watch the Christmas Island boat show parade which passes in front of your lanai. A stunning custom built-in bar/granite tabletop, wall-to-wall entertainment center, a 3rd bedroom with built-in office/Queen Murphy bed, custom lighting and custom kitchen are just a few of the upgraded interior features. Impact windows and sliding glass doors plus manual and electric storm shutters are other added features. Offered turnkey, this decorator furnished home is move-in ready. The pristine undercover parking space is protected from the elements by the back wall. Pier 81 amenities include 2 pools, a hot tub, grill area, clubhouse, gym, sauna, tennis, fishing pier, and additional air-conditioned storage. The Marina at Factory Bay offers boat slips for sale or lease. There are several fine restaurants and shops nearby in historic Olde Marco. New owners welcome to your piece of paradise on Marco Island. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-259-1207.